One of the greatest joys of pediatric dentistry is watching children grow. I first met Louis when he was a toddler. Today, he's a collegiate athlete. Recently, I sat down with Louis to talk about life on the team, training, recovery, nutrition, and what it takes to perform at a high level. We also talked about the incredible support that athletes receive from coaches, trainers, sports medicine physicians, and nutrition experts. But we also talked about the importance of oral health.
I will be playing college basketball for Northeastern next year. I just came from Idaho State.
So you've been at Idaho State for a year now?
Yes.
And now you're going to switch, go to Northeastern in Boston?
Yes.
Okay, so talking about athlete wellness, I've been seeing you, which is great. What has the team done for your general well-being? What have you had in Idaho so far?
It's more like just like natural, like a training staff. Like they help you like with like stretching and like recovery stuff, like for like your knees and like other parts of your body that you need, and also a certain weightlifting that like kind of helps with preventative care.
Yeah, so you have a trainer that's working with a coach.
Yes, they hire a trainer to make sure we're all right.
Yeah, and so, but do you have to have any physical exams, any wellness mental exams, any dental stuff that's happened, or not yet?
We don't have anything for dental, but for mental, they have somebody that we can go to. It's not like technically required, and yeah, for the most part, there isn't really that much dental.
Yeah, and in terms of nutrition, how about that?
They have a nutritionist, but like at my old school. But like I said before, it's not like it was like really a requirement for us to go see them.
Mm-hmm. So are you doing some of the stuff on your own?
Maybe I should start, but I wasn't really being the most proactive when it comes to bettering my game with like off the court things like nutrition.
Yeah, that's so important. So the idea of sports dentistry and being a team dentist is actually part of a whole team. It's part of a sports medicine situation as well. So the physicians, the dentists, the nutritionists, the trainers, it's all cohesive. And the idea is really to keep you as an athlete in tip-top shape. So in terms of what we're going to do today for the dentistry, we're going to make sure you're healthy. You always have been. We've always had great dental health, which is wonderful. And then the other aspect is protection and prevention, and that involves the custom mouth guard. So if you have something that's customized for you, that fits, that's comfortable, that you can not only perform in and breathe in comfortably, but also something that you almost forget about in your mouth. That's really the goal. And that's really what we'd like you to have. So we're going to try and see how we can achieve that for you. Hopefully with 3D printing.
Sounds good.
Okay, fantastic. As a certified sports team dentist, the approach to athletes' wellness is comprehensive. We start with a complete dental health screening, digital imaging, intraoral photography, and 3D scanning to establish a baseline and help keep athletes healthy throughout their careers. Safety and prevention are an important part of athlete confidence, and customized sports guards are a great way to achieve this. Our customized sports guards are designed in-house using digital workflows. They are 3D printed in our office and are easily reproducible for our athletes. For me, this work is really rooted in honoring our bodies and being able to participate in life joyfully. Because when we're safe, we're confident. And when kids understand how to go about their sport, they can become better athletes and better performers. And more importantly, they can become healthy, confident adults.